Right here we have a 2014 Honda CTX. Lost key situation. Basically, we go ahead, make a key from scratch, and that's about it. We'll come back shortly. We're back at that Honda CTX. Basically, we finished making the key for the customer. Basically, this key has 8 cuts. It will work the gas cap, no problem. Seat lock. Oh, that's a metal key also made. Seat lock. And this is what everybody cares about, the ignition. It's ready to start right up. If you have any questions, you need help, you need us to help you with making keys to your bikes, let us know. Sometimes they do take a minute because we actually make them from scratch. We don't use no key codes. We actually let the locks tell us what the key is. So that process takes a little bit longer, but that's about it. If you need help, give us a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Keep in mind, if you're out of state, you may want to call someone local. If not, you're going to have to take off some locks and ship it to me, and I can do it that way. Thank you.